After our founder, Mike Strickland, developed TotalJoist, an easy-to-install cold-form steel floor joist, he quickly realized that a stronger flooring system was needed if iSpan Systems wanted to provide a suitable solution for the mid-rise construction market. After discovering the perfect decking system to complement TotalJoist, Composite TotalJoist was born. By combining the power of TotalJoist with Total Lewis deck and concrete, Composite TotalJoist drastically increases flexibility in design with unmatched spans, while also delivering a durable, high-quality flooring system. Designed and delivered to site, pre-cut to required lengths and quantities specific to each job, TotalJoist makes for a cleaner construction site with less material waste. Large pre-cut surface holes allow follow-up trades to run mechanical, electrical, and plumbing services easily, resulting in a smooth coordination of the overall construction process. As our joists are fabricated using lightweight steel with pre-engineered components, Composite TotalJoist is easy to install without the need for specialized crews. It is a combination of these benefits that allow owners and developers to compress construction schedules and realize a return on their investment sooner. Our system can be used with a wide range of support conditions, including masonry, block, ICF, cold-form steel, wood, and structural steel. Composite TotalJoist has been used on projects of all sizes and complexities by leading developers and architects across the United States and Canada, ranging from apartment buildings to commercial mezzanines to hotels and luxury custom homes. With excellent vibration control, 2-hour UL/ULC fire ratings, and acoustic ratings that are 60% higher than precast and 34% higher than wood. Composite TotalJoist is an obvious choice for mid-rise construction projects such as hotels, condominiums, and multi-story office buildings. Composite TotalJoist is made from 90% recycled material, is highly durable, reclaimable, and has a life expectancy of over 100 years. Could Composite TotalJoist be right for your next project? Download our brochure or contact our sales team to learn more about our superior concrete flooring system.